My lord. My friends, we need to talk. The title is not a lie. We are in the middle of the dog days altcoin summer season. It is here. It is now. Altcoin season is happening now. It might not be happening the way you want it with what you're holding, but every single day and every single night for a while now. And we've just been ignoring it, acting like it's not been happening, but it has been. Every single night, every single day, there are coins that are pumping 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 100%, 200%. It's time to shun your denial and others. Now, we're going to talk about some of these things. We're going to go over the list, but we need to explain why. And you know what? Why people aren't talking about this right now, these coins, is because we're flooded with bots and how can you know what's real and what isn't anymore? There's so many. Every three-letter word is just another three-letter, two-letter, attach USDT to it, and there's a shit token. You go on TradingView, type in some random letters, add USDT, it's a random shit token. But guess what? Just because others are now tired of doing altcoin research, you don't need to do research. I got it all here for you. I've done the research. I'm going to show you how to find these tokens and how to enter and have success and profits trading these tokens with or without leverage. You don't need leverage. With these tokens, you don't need leverage at all. So, first off, why is there so much urgency? Let me tell you why. This is important because we're running out of time. We only have 120, 130 days left in the year. And this year is the fourth year. This is the final year, 2025 to 2026, in the 4-year cycle. And every single time, the final year of the 4-year cycle not only has the all-time high, and it goes to shit afterwards, 2025, 2026, it's the most volatile. It's when all the new shit tokens come in, all the new tokens come in. And it's when the new all-time highs, boom, back in 2017, 2008, 2018. Most volatile, new all-time highs up to the end of the year, new year, goodbye, boom. Back in 2013 to 2018. What year was this? 2014 to 1969. Okay. Most volatile, boom, all-time high at the end, and then it dies after, like clockwork. So maybe this time will be different. Sure, maybe this time will be different. Now more than ever, I'm hearing people think we're going to keep on going into 2026. And maybe I hope they're right. I hope they're right. So, that being said, if history repeats itself, we only have 130 days. So, what are you going to do? Trade this shit chop? Are we going to get our shit tokens on? It's altcoin season, and you guys have been sleeping. It's time to start sleazing. So, let's get after it. Now, first off, Oh my God, it's shit's pumping right now too. Oh my God. Number one in no particular order. MYX. This thing has been running for 2 days. It's up 200%. Look at it. Look at it. Now, all I've been doing is I go to my favorite Chinese exchange. You can go to your favorite Chinese exchange, okay? And you go to the list. You change and see what's going on here. Boom. MYX 156%. Let's take a look at these. Oh my God, 3 of these are in my top 5 list. Okay? Then you take a look at the chart. Now, you don't just pin the tail on the donkey. You can with these shit tokens. You can the way that in a bull run you can. In a bull run you can. And it's alt season. You probably can pin the tail on the donkey. But what we do is we pull up the tokens, and then we use our indications. Oh my Lord. Look what we have here. We just had massive money flow come in, and guess what? It's been consolidating, coming down, and it's curving back up. Oh shit. MYX is about to go on another run. Look, a new momentum wave is forming. Look, just like this one. Boom. This one bursted through. Boom. Price count, money flow, pouring in, money pouring in. Now it's chilling, still diverging. Oh, what's it gonna do? Oh, nope, it's a bull run. Reject off the 0 line. Look, there's a microscopic amoeba of a red money flow. What do we say about bull runs? It's all the time in the green, tiny time in the red. Doop. That's all she had in her. See ya, wouldn't wanna be ya. I am on the MYX train, and you can just buy it spot. You don't have to do leverage. Leverage is probably the worst thing you can do, even at 3x, 30%. Look at these percentages. Let me show you. Let's clean this chart up a little bit here. I'm telling you, I'm going crazy. It's crazy right now because I'm trading these right now. I'm trading these as we speak. Okay, hang on here. Come on. Okay, so let's take a look here. Let's go to standard candles. Okay. All right. So just in the past couple hours, boom, look at that, 18%. Here, let's take it off log, 18%. Isn't that crazy? Now look, huge tool with Market Cipher. Look at your VWAPs curvature coming up in the hourlies. If you have an hourly, a 30-minute, a 2-hour, you see this outwardly curve and it's like, boom, right here or coming up. Get in on it. Get in on it. You see this wave go, and it's like right here. Get in on it. Get in on it. Not financial advice. This is entertainment purpose only. Entertainment purposes only. Okay. The 15-minute is your best friend. Well, another best friend. Look for your trigger waves. Okay, boom, trigger wave, boom, easy money, easy money. So this MYX is what I've been trading for the past 2 days. Got some spot. My spot's already up 80%. Insane. Next is MYX again. You know what? It's so damn good. What is this here? Okay. And you know what too? Every time frame works. Okay, the 10-minute, the 5-minute VWAP curvatures. Okay, when you see a nice curvature, VWAP curvature coming up on the 5-minute, like right now, boop, you know it's going up. Long that top, baby. This is top, long, and season when you see that curvature coming up on any time frame. Within reason, but you don't need much reason. Next is SoMe. Now, I've been seeing people say this in the chat for the past couple of weeks, but I'm like, I thought they were talking about our friend, your friend saw me, the YouTuber, Australian kid, whatever. You know, there's so many damn tokens. This one, I smacked this one. This was in the copy trade group. This one is I mean, look at it. They're just, okay. Your shitter Cardano is oversaturated. Okay? So this is what happened last cycle. Solana wasn't around in 2017. The Polygon or whatever the hell wasn't around in 17. What they do is they don't pump old tokens, they create new ones. Pump money in, get the attraction, bada bing, bada boom. It's the same game. It's just everyone's got so many damn tokens. They're forgetting that it's a new cycle, new tokens. Chainlink, your shitter Cardano ain't doing 200% in 2 days. These coins are. Look at this. 74% in 2 hours. I posted this on Twitter. It was at 7-1. That's right. It was at 7-1. Hang on, 7-1. How much has it gone up since the Twitter post? 125%. We have how long? We have 130 days, give or take, until 2026, which is officially the end of the bull run. Unless we get a miracle. Look at MYX right now. My charts are popping off. My trades are popping off right now. We're at Chinese trumpets. Blowing off, baby. Oh, I don't. Yes. Yes. Man, this is the way to do it right now. This is the way right now. This is the way right now. Okay, next is a token called TA. I believe this was the first new shit token that I got in on this week. And all I did was go to my favorite Chinese, one of my favorite Chinese exchanges, hit this. I'm like, what's going on? And TA was, look, it's up here again at that 78%. I'm like, what the hell is this? What's going on here? And I pulled it up in my handy dandy 15-minute. Okay. My gosh. Look. Just look at the curvature on Market Cipher and how it's acting with Market Cipher. Basic strategy. Okay, look. Red R size. Green money flow coming down. Price comes down. Boom. It's in the red. Money flow curvature. Look at this curvature. Look at these beautiful curvatures up and down. Okay? So when curvature, why is the music stopping? Okay. So when curvature's coming up from the bottom, red curvature coming up, green money flow, momentum coming up, easy money. Boom, longs right here. Boom, longs right here. Boom, bam, it comes up. Now, once we start seeing this green wave start to fall off and it's red RSIs, you can short it or just sell it. Up to you. It's up to you. The 15-minute, all time frames, the 30-minute VWAP, your VWAP curvature is just, it's just like it's free. It's like it's free. Look at this curvature. Look at this curvature. The 15 minutes where it's at, for sure. The 15 minutes where it's at. What about this range? It's a little murky around here, but let's zoom out here. What do these charts look like when they're zoomed out? That's exactly what we want to see. Okay, so this was a dead shit token. This came out in July. Okay, look at that. Came out in July, boom, steady sell, boom, steady sell. Had its curvature come up, boom. This is when I first discovered it on this pump, I believe. I got some action on this one. I slept through this. Look at this percentage gain right here. Boom. 260% single candle wick. Look at that. Let's go off Hikins. Okay, it wasn't a single candle, which is even better. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours, it went up 235%, and then whammy, came back down. So we were trading on that one. TA. Stick with your basic strategy. Patience is everything. Waiting for the pullbacks. Beautiful. Next, bio. Ooh, yes. Now, this is what we want to see. This is what we want to see. Don't know what it does. Could be a scam. Maybe it's not. But it came out in January of this year. And now it's coming up. And this is curvature. This isn't, there's some tokens that don't look good. This looks good. This is like a healthy, okay, it's dead. And then, oh, nice. Like this area right here. Boom, this pumps, it's pulled back. You can get in now. You can get in here. You can add here. Even down here. Just spot and look at the percentage gain. 100% right there. Easily. In a day, 2 days. Off the top. Welcome to alt season. It's here. We have 130 days. 130 days. Here, watch. This, okay, where's 2026 on here? Boom. This is the end of the year right here. You know, maybe it does something like this. Whammy. Time will tell. Bio. And we're going, and this, I wanted to use this example, Pippin. Now, I do not like the way this looks. This is dangerous. You can absolutely trade it. Well, let's take a look, see here. Let's zoom in on the 15. What's the 15 looking like? Yeah, it's choppy. You want to wait for it. With curvature, it's good. There hasn't really been any good curvature. I mean, besides this one recently. I prefer the structure of curvature and not this like pump and dump. This is inside pump and dump stuff here. When the insiders just sell off into farm blanks here. Into liquidity. There's 5. And you know what? There's going to be plenty more. There's plenty more probably. Just stick with the basics. The 15-minute, the 30-minute. I mean, it's wild. This is wild. Man, this MYX, look at this thing, man. The chart I can't even give you the full picture. Can't give you the whole picture, dude. Look, I'm getting lost here. Look. Damn. Mans, we were riding this. What? I'm holding this. I'm holding this for 2 months. I'm buying spot, holding 2 months. Selling early. I'll sell it early. And I'll regret that I sold it in December. And I'll be laughing that I sold it in January, February. I'm going to sell it in November. Cry that I sold it in December. Laugh that I sold it when it's January, February. Yes, sir. Bitcoin looks like it's doing okay right now. Doing good. Excellent. I'm getting back to trading. 130 days left. There's your 5. Alt season is here. Alt season is here. It's here. It's here. It's now. It's now. Couple months left. That's all that's left.